Welcome. Meet Kevin, an MBA student stepping onto campus, filled with dreams but uncertain about his path while others seem to sail smoothly toward their careers. One night, while hunting for a career path, Kevin stumbles upon data science, which sounds perfect, especially for someone who loved math in school. Kevin quickly joined a data science training institute who is teaching programming in the name of data science. Soon he finds himself lost in a jungle of while and do while loops. The thrill of discovery quickly turns into a maze of confusion. Object-oriented programming makes him feel more like a non-living object than a budding data scientist. His enthusiasm wanes as the coding challenges pile up. 2 months slip by. Kevin battles with code every day, feeling more trapped and out of place with each passing assignment. His dream of mastering data science seems to fade away. Just as Kevin is about to give up, he discovers Statssy. It's a revelation. Statssy shows him that data science isn't all about getting tangled in endless lines of code. Statssy made Kevin learn about supply chain analytics. Here he can apply his MBA knowledge and use data smartly without the deep dive into programming that bogged him down. During his training, Kevin tackles real business challenges. He finds efficient ways to move products and cut costs using data instead of complex code. His project is a success. The managers are impressed. Kevin feels like he's finally found his place, turning data into decisions that drive the company forward. Kevin graduates with more than just an MBA. He's now a skilled supply chain analyst who knows how to make an impact using data, no coding nightmares needed. Start your journey with Statssy. Turn data into decisions, not frustration into code.